Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The fifth experiment of surveying 2 lab is magnetic bearing of line. The object of the experiment is measurement of magnetic bearing of line from magnetic north. The apparatus used for these experiments are theodolite, tripod stand for theodolite, prismatic compass stand for the prismatic compass, and ranging rods. And the theory behind this experiment is there are 2 types of north. First one is magnetic north and second one is true north. Magnetic north is determined with the help of prismatic compass, and the true north is find out with the help of celestial bodies, stars, suns, etc. And the angle of declination between the true north and magnetic north is called magnetic declination. In this experiment, we will use the prismatic compass to find the magnetic north, and then the bearing from magnetic north, that's called magnetic bearing. The procedure of this experiment is, first of all, select a line. Suppose a line is OA, and then choose one point of the line as station point and set out the prismatic compass over there. Suppose point O is a station point, and set the prismatic compass over the station O. Now with the help of prismatic compass, find out the magnetic north. Keep away any metallic item from the prismatic compass, away from the prismatic compass, so that its needle may not distract. Suppose the point N shows the magnetic north, then fix the ranging rod over the point N. Now remove the prismatic compass from the station O and set the tripod stand and theodolite over the station O. After centering and leveling of theodolite, repeat the process for the measurement of horizontal angle. First of all, select the point N, use the upper clamp and lower clamp, and focus the point N properly. Then take the reading of the theodolite as 0, 0, and then rotate the theodolite clockwise towards point A or station A, and then clamp the horizontally. Focus the point properly at station A, which theodolite will give the angle of horizontal between point N and A. As N is the magnetic north, then the angle between ON and OA will be the magnetic bearing of line OA. In any confusion, repeat the process. Thank you.